Good morning children, welcome to class 5 computer. So today we are going to start with a new lesson of MS PowerPoint. Okay, this MS PowerPoint is a part of a Microsoft Office. So you would have known about Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, like Microsoft Office, Outlook, Publish like that and all. So here you are going to learn about MS PowerPoint children. This is also a application software. Okay, it is an application software which helps to convey your ideas as a presentation. Okay children, so ma'am gives a project. Okay, so prepare any project on the weather and climate means you can use this PowerPoint to prepare a presentation using pictures, graphics, sound, typing about that in text. Okay children, so in a neat or a very beautiful way, attractive way, you can create presentation. Okay, so here this presentation consists of slides children. So first basically we are going to learn about what are the things present in the PowerPoint window. That one we are going to learn. Then we will learn how to create slides and all. Okay children, so how to go for the PowerPoint. So start, all programs, Microsoft Office, you have so many are there. So you have to go and click Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, so once again I repeat, start, all programs, Microsoft Office, go and click Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, so a window will be opened like this, a default window will be opened like this. This is your PowerPoint window children. Okay, so here it will be used to create slides which acts as a presentation for you. Okay, so first we have to set the layout children. Okay, so go to insert, layout. So different options are available for you. Okay, so this one only we will take, only title or this one, same thing is there. This one only we will keep. First you have to design the layout children, how it should come. Okay, now creating a text box children. Coming to your topic, creating a text box. Okay, see here, go to insert, here you have an option of text box. Okay, click there. Okay, drag it like this, you can create a text box over inside there. Okay, so here it is given as save water. So I am typing the same thing, save water. Okay, see here it has come as a heading like that. Okay, so once again I will tell you, go to insert. Okay, click text box. So where you want, drag that text box. Okay, then you can type over there children. Okay, see here you can type over there. Okay, then we are going to see the formatting text. What is meant by formatting text means, see if you would have observed your book, the title of the lesson will be bold, thick, the size will be very big, whereas the subheadings will be of shorter size and it will be what you can say, it will be underlined. Okay, so sometimes it will be in the left side of the border, or sometimes the paragraph will be in the center of the page, like that it will come, or the picture will be on the right side. So for that we have to do formatting. Okay, so first we are going to learn for formatting the text children. Okay, so here we have typed this one as for save water. Okay, save water we have typed over here. So how we can change the text with the way we want. First one is your bold children. Little I will make it, go to home tab. Okay, size I will increase. Okay, this is the bold letter so that you can see in the video. See here, save water is a text we have typed over that. First make it bold, children. So the bold how we can do means first select the text by using your mouse. Click the pointer over here, either this side or the left side. Drag your mouse. See, this highlighted one will come here. Okay. Now go and click the bold here, children. See here in the font tab you have this bold. Click here, bold. See, it will become. See, compared to previous size, it has become bold. So undo, I will show you. See, observe here, this is the text we have selected. So, the selected text, I am clicking over here, bold. So, when I click that, it becomes bold, children. Okay? And a shortcut key is also there for it. So, that one is Control B. The same way, select the text and we pressing in the keyboard, children. Okay, I am pressing in the keyboard, Control B. Okay? It will become bold. Okay, so in this way you can do to make the text bold. Okay, the next one is italic, children, the cursive way of writing. So the same way, use your mouse, select the text, go here, I, that is italic, it italicize the selected text. So click here, I, click. So see, only 2 letters getting changed. So select the full text, go and click the I. See, the little tilted the text has been. Okay, this is italicized. Okay, italic way of writing. Okay, select this, go and click. It has come back to again. So again, when you click, it will be little tilted onto the right side, children. So this is the way of italicized. The next one is, it has also got a shortcut key, that is Control I. Okay. The next one is underline. Okay, any topic you give, you want to underline that. So in the same way, first you select the text, then here you can observe in the font tab, you have the underline. So click underline, children. Okay. So select the text, go here, click underline. So you can observe and underline over here. Okay. So the shortcut key is Control U, children. Okay. Underline. To underline the text. The next one is change the font type. See, observe here. See, this is in the Calibri. This is the place where you have the different types of fonts are over there. So mainly we will use Times New Roman, Arial Black, okay. Then this Calibri and all we will use. See, children, you have different types of font over here. Different types of font. Okay. You can select any one you wish and you can put it in for the your text. Okay. So I will show you some of the things. Okay. For this also, first you have to select the text. Select the text. Go here. Go and click for this Algerian font type. I am clicking over here. See the way it has changed the font type. See, to change the font type, children. Here also you have the shortcut key Control Shift plus F. Okay, Control Shift plus F. So some other changes also I will, fonts also I will show you. See, go here, select the text. This one. See, this one you change. Copper black. This one it has got changed. Okay. And then one more we will try. See, this way something. See, the font has been changed. So select the text. Go here to the font type and you change the font. See, like this. You can change it, children. Okay. The next one, font size. This is font type, children, what we saw now. For this also, first click in this, select the text. Okay. So it is repeat. I have changed the font. I want to change the size. Okay. I have kept. You can change it to, I have kept it to some 88. I change it to 100. See, it has been increased. So I'm just increasing. See, the size has been increased now. So in this way, you can change the font size, children. Okay. So remaining learning the formatting text. Next video we will see, children. Thank you. Bye.